Got it?
Yeah. Alright. Hold on. Gotta get this one out of the way.
You got it? You don't got it, let us know. Quick.
Oh, hold on a second. I got something blocking the tires here. Okay.
I'm walking with my legs are nice and easy.
Alright, come to your right, west, so towards the neighbor's house. Okay, right there. I'm going to lift this up a little bit. You guys doing alright? Or do you need somebody to spell you?
I'm going to get it for a little bit. Need help for you?
I'm just afraid this thing's going to start.
Alright, I'm going to come up by the nose. Alright, now we start rolling.
Let it down? Let my side down?
Yep.
Yeah, keep just put that.
Alright, are we on the pivot?
No, you're on
Okay.
the wing.
Lift up more on the jack there, Wes. That handle.
You're on the wing still.
Lift.
You gotta lift up this way.
Gotta hold the wing up.
Yeah, push it up on the nose.
Wait, I need to lift
You gotta
on the
push
wing.
the nose like this. And then that. Is it on the pivot now? It'll pivot now. It's not in the wing?
No, it's clear.
Okay, I've got this, Wes. I've got it. You go over by the strake. Alright, we need to push on the strake gently and hold while we're holding. Ryan, can you release those tie-down straps?
Release them now?
Are we holding or is that holding it?
I think that's holding it.
Alright, then raise it up higher if you can. Go ahead and jack this up higher.
Keep pressure back there. A little bit more pressure, Joe.
Watch the red thing.
Yeah, the red thing. We need to let it down a little bit. Plus, it's balancing on the wing, not on the pivot. Here, Joe, you can look at it. I'll hold it.
Oh, this is about
Oh, I know. Look at that scratch.
Sure you got it? You need help, Wes?
Nope. See what's going on?